In this tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to use automation with forms in HubSpot so your forms don't just collect data, they actually work for you. Start by logging into your HubSpot dashboard and heading to the Forms tool. From the top menu, click Marketing, then go to Lead Capture and select Forms. This is where all your forms are created and managed. Now, either open an existing form or create a new one. Once you're inside the form editor, look for the Automate tab. This is where you set up everything that should happen after someone submits your form. First, you can create an automated follow-up email. This is the message your contact receives instantly after submission. You can choose an existing email or create a new one. A simple thank you message or a link to a resource works perfectly here. Next, you can set up internal notifications. This allows HubSpot to alert your team whenever a form is submitted. You can send these notifications to specific team members, so no lead goes unnoticed. You also have the option to automatically add contacts to a list. This helps you stay organized and segment your audience for future campaigns. Instead of manually sorting contacts, HubSpot does it for you. Another useful automation is assigning an owner to each contact. This ensures every lead is handled by the right person, whether it's a sales rep or a support team member. Once you've configured your automations, make sure to click Publish or Update. This step is important because your automations will only run once the form is live. And that's it. You've successfully set up automation for your HubSpot forms, turning them into powerful tools that save time, improve follow-ups, and keep your workflow running smoothly.